Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is where you are. Rick Reed here, got a couple of proof packages here today. So what I'm gonna do is first of all, what I want you to do is click on that subscribe button. You don't want to miss the important information that I'm about to share with you, okay? Give me a thumbs up if you like the video and leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. But what I'm going to do is show you how you can get cash money and stamps sent straight to your home, straight to your mailbox for mailing a simple flyer. I have over 57 flyers that I put together. You can go to my website, www.cashcowprogram.com. That's www.cashcowprogram.com. Click on any flyer that you see there that fits your budget. Check them all out. Okay, and all you have to do is click on it, enlarge it, print it out, send it in, and also give me a call. My number is 832-906-6411. That's 832-906-6411. Featuring today is the Millionaire Mailer Pro flyer. I'm going to open this package up and then I'm going to go over everything with you. Okay? All right, let me see how we get this. Yes, people, mailbox money. It's nice to get money in the mail, and with my packages, you also get stamps. Now, I like the way he packaged this. Here's the envelope. Henry M. Henry, welcome to the Cash Cow program. Remember, everybody, go to www.cashcowprogram.com. That's www.cashcowprogram.com, or you can give me a call, 832-906-6411, if you have any questions. But when you call, please leave your name, your number, and the best time to call you back. Please speak clearly and slowly so I can understand what you're saying in order to write your information down. Okay, so here we are. Let's see what we got. Okay, here's the okay. This is the Flash Cash 100. The Flash Cash 100 flyer. Okay, all right, and here's $100. All right, and the stamps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The Christmas stamps. It's Christmas time. See, so what I just got is $100 and 5 books of stamps. You will be able to do the same thing. See, I added the stamps to the program because stamps are going up. I think they're like 58 cents for 100. But in the marketing kit, I have where you can get your stamps for $28. 100 for $28. Only in the Mailbox Cash Money Marketing Kit. All right, so what I'm gonna do is gonna go over this Millionaire Mailer Pro flyer. This is an amazing flyer right here. This particular flyer, you can make 100, 500, or $1,000 in 5 books of stamps with that. All right, just think, if just 10 people send you $100, that's $1,000. What about 10 people sending you $500? 5,000. How about 10 people sending you $1,000? That's $10,000 off of mailing a flyer that has what people want. Now, this particular flyer, when you get started, all right, you're gonna get 100, 300, or 1,000 hot buyer leads. These are leads of people that are really willing and able, like yourself, that's looking at this video, that's looking for an opportunity and have bought something from mail order or direct mail. All right, now what you're gonna get, you'll get the Mailbox Cash Money Marketing Kit. All right, also in that marketing kit I have where you can get 150,000 155,000 flyers posted into a program, all right, or to a mailing program, and you don't have to pay for the shipping. All you do is pay for, for, for when they post that into the other people program. In other words, they're sending your flyer out to their group of people. There's over 155,000 in those particular age groups that they have. Okay, so it's getting a lot of recognition. 155,000 for $150. That's great. Now, also what you're gonna get is $1,000 in grocery coupons of your choice. Look, you can't lose with the coupons that you choose, all right? You select the coupons you want for items you know that you buy. That's amazing, okay? That is great. My story is I went to Walmart, okay? When I got to the register, my bill came up to over $190 plus. After I hand them the coupons for the items that I have in my basket, guess what? Under $100. So I saved $100, over $100 on my groceries. Went got a pedicure, manicure that same day. Later on, took myself out to eat, and guess what? You can do the same thing. All right. There's a 3-day, 2-night trip or 8-day, 7-night vacation package. And how this works is that you select the places that you're going to go to. Okay, there's so many places for you to select from. All right, we're taking care of your hotel accommodations. You get there, we're taking care of your hotel accommodation. Now remember, that's an 8-day, 7-night or 3-day, 2-night, depending on whether you're doing the 100, 500, or $1,000. Okay, also the fast food restaurant coupons. Okay, these are places like Wendy's, Denny's, Taco Bell, okay, Olive Garden, Red Lobsters, Chatters, so many different places where you can sit down and eat. Also, what we have is the leads, 100, 300, or 1,000 hot bar leads. Look, people, this is all you have to do. You simply check off where you're starting, 100 here, 500 or 1,000, okay? Your name is gonna go right in this first box right here, all right? That means that you could be on 1, 2, 3 other people flyers that send it out. Look, you're in business for yourself, but not by yourself, and that's the key. Because all I want you to be is teachable and coachable, and guess what? We're gonna make some money, we're gonna get stamps, and you're gonna get cash in the mail. All right. Now, income disclaimer. If you do nothing, you get nothing. This is the perfect time. The holidays are coming up. People want to make money, and we're gonna help you get to that point. All right. So your name, your address, all right, or phone number here, whatever you want on here. Once I receive it, I'm gonna give you a call. Like, who is this? Henry Mathis. Henry, welcome to the team. You'll get your flash cash flyer sent out to you. I'll be emailing that stuff out to you. All right, right here. When someone gets started, now this is what I call in business for yourself, but not by yourself. Once you get to right here, box number 2, that means when you send your flyer out or someone gets started, you're gonna move to box number 2. When you move here to box number 2, now you're gonna get a residual income of $100 and 5 books of stamps, $500 and five books of stamps, or $1,000 and 5 books of stamps. You did the work one time. And you're gonna get paid over and over again. That's what I like about my programs, okay? And right here, if you have any questions, just simply give me a call, 832-906-6411. That's 832-906-6411. Please speak clearly and slowly so we can write down your proper information and return your call, okay? Well, basically, that's it. Welcome to the team, Henry. I look forward to talking with you, getting your information together, and helping you make as much money as you want. This is the Millionaire Mailer Pro Flyer, people. Have a great day, evening, night, whatever time it is where you are. Remember, your thoughts determine what you want, but your action Determine what you get. Come join me for the holidays. Hope you have a great holiday. Stay safe. Hey, wear that mask out there. Come join me. Get your $100, $500, or $1,000 with this Millionaire Mailer Pro. Have a great day, evening, night, whatever time it is, where you are, and God bless.